Hi, my name is Mukhtar. That's Sharif. This is our daughter, Safia. We're from a very far place called Somalia, especially Beledweyne City. We came in India 2 months before. We were looking treatment our daughter. So we have visited so many hospitals. So finally we came in care. We met Dr. Tapan Kumar. Before we met Dr. Tapan, we have met like 4 or 5 specialists in these hospitals. Nobody is giving us in green light, confidence, and some expectation because of our daughter. She was suffering a lot of problem, a lot of major problems in heart. So every doctor was not giving us a green light. Finally, we have met Dr. Tapan, and none of them, these doctors, they didn't give us a green light, no confidence, no more expectation. So finally, we have met Dr. Tapan Kumar in Care Hospital, Banjara, row number 1. Really, he gave us more details, more explanation, and he told us it's a major case because of the baby. She had more than 4 or 5 major problems on the heart, but really he told us he can do this operation, and he gave her more expectation. But he told us that it's a major case, major problem, but he will try to do it his best way. So finally, we decided to do that surgery in Care Hospital under Dr. Tapan Kumar Dash. Our surgery done successfully. So the team of the doctor in Care Hospital, really they treat us well. Our daughter, our expectation was not like well because of we knew how was the problem, but finally we get a good result, and surgery was completely successful. Now our daughter completely recovered. We are planning to be back home with happiness and enjoying. We are appreciating Care Hospital. Today is a final day we come hospital to say goodbye hospital and to take our fit to fly and back to home. We are really so happy. We are so proud whatever we get from the hospital. They treat us well, not only doctor, because of he has the best team. They care our baby. So also we are appreciating that team. They did a lot of sacrifice. We cannot only say thank you, but we will not forget the way they treated our daughter. So we are so happy. We are so appreciating really whatever they did. And that's Sharif, the father of daughter. I'm the uncle also. This is my daughter. We came from same village. So I knew all this problem. And also I was the translator, and also I was a part of the family.
magacaygu waa Sharif Kani Faarax. awalan Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ayaa mahad iska leh. waa aabaha gabadhan Safiyo. awalan magacaygu waa Sharif Kani Faarax. gabadhan Safiyo aabaheedan ahay. waxaan ka imaanay magaalada Beledweyne, Somalia. waxaan joognaa hadda magaalada Hyderabad, waddanka India. gabadhan xanuun oo wadnaha ay ku dhalatay qabtay. halkan waxaan u imaanay howl caafimaad. gabadhan waxay jirtaa 11 sano. cudurkana way ku dhalatay. marka cudurkeedana waa markii kolley wadnahu ahay. alxamdulilah rabbil caalamiin. marka dhakhtar hindiya loo soo waday. inta markii la keenana kiisku wuu cuslay oo mataqaanaa kiis aad u culus oo ahay. dhakhaatiir badan ilaa 8 dhakhtar kadib waxaan ku go'aan qaadanay isbitaalka Care Dr. Tapan Kumar. alxamdulilah rabbil caalamiin. ilaahay baa subxaanahu wa tacaala ayaa wax walba suuro geliyey. hadda xaaladeeda caafimaad aad ayay u wacan tahay maasha Allah. alxamdulilah rabbil caalamiin. intaas kadib Allah subxaanahu wa tacaala ayaan u mahad celinayaa. wax walba haysiiyey xaggiisayna ka ahaadeen. marka lagu laabto waxaan u mahad celinaynaa isbitaalka oo Care Hospital iyo Dr. Tapan Kumar iyo tiimka la shaqeeya. runtii si wacan oo wanaagsan ayay noola shaqeeyeen. adeeg hufana way noo qabteen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mahadiisa ka sokow ayagana wax badan ay suuro geliyeen. waxaan dhihi karnaa runtii shaqo wacan ayaana loo qabtay. ilaahayna wuu nagu guulay. alxamdulilah rabbil caalamiin. marka adeeg fiican iyo mataqaanaa aad iyo aadana loo keergaray. marka warkiyo ugu dambeyn marka hadda gabadheedu waa caafimaad qabta. alxamdulilah rabbil caalamiin. aad ay u wacan tahay. waxaan u mahad celinayaa marka Allah subxaana wa tacaala marka labaad isbitaalka care iyo dhaqtarka Dr. Tapan Kumar iyo tiimka la shaqeeya
way mahadsan yihiin Care Hospital, way mahadsan yihiin Dr. Tapan Kumar. Thank you so much. Thank you Care Hospital.
I am Dr. Tapan Kumar Dash, Head of the Department and Director of Paediatric Cardiac Surgery from Care Hospital, Banjara Hills, Road number 1, Hyderabad. I operated on this 11-year-old child who was from Somalia and suffering from a very complex heart problem in the form of truncus arteriosus with interrupted aortic arch. Most of these children, they die at the early age within 2 to 3 months of life. Somehow or other, this child escaped death and come to the stage of 11 years. Operating at this stage in this disease is extremely risky and complex. But we did a good surgery in this child and we saved the life of the child. After surgery, the child did very well and her heart problem is completely cured. And the child was discharged home in 9th day of surgery. And the child is doing fine now and is ready to go to their country. Thank you very much.